Hey guys, what's going on? So I wanted to come on here really quick because I'm super excited and I think this video will help a lot of people. So for the past couple months, I have been on this journey trying to source some of the best, most quality packaging for my business. I wanted something unique, something different, something that you typically wouldn't see everywhere. I knew I wanted to get custom boxes, soap boxes for my soaps. There were so many things that I wanted to do in terms of custom packaging for my business. And I knew that I wasn't going to be able to get them from the United States. Unfortunately, things are so expensive when coming from the United States. So I knew I had to outsource them overseas because it's just cheaper. It just is. And I feel like a lot of times people are fearful of sourcing materials overseas because they just don't know. They don't have the information and the education on sourcing things from overseas. So I wanted to make this video and hopefully it will help somebody. I really wish I had this video whenever I started, but you know what? There's no better education than putting the work in and just getting it through the mud. So it was a lot easier than what I thought, sourcing materials and things like that overseas. I think the biggest struggle that I had was just the shipping time. There was an extended shipping time in terms of receiving some of the goods, but it's okay. You just have to plan for it. So I'm gonna show you guys how what I do when looking for manufacturers overseas. So as you may know, one of the largest manufacturing sites is Alibaba. I absolutely love Alibaba. I trust Alibaba. There's a reason why. But I really like Alibaba, and all of the things that I sourced was from Alibaba. So one of the first things that I did was, first and foremost, I got the sizing and the measurements of the packaging that I wanted to do. So I first started off with the soap boxes. So what I'm gonna do in this particular video is teach you and walk you through everything that I did for getting my custom soap boxes for my business. Now, I'm gonna show you the boxes because I actually got them in. They are absolutely amazing. But before I show you, I'm gonna walk you through everything that I did step by step of what I did whenever sourcing on Alibaba. Yes, I use Alibaba. I love Alibaba. I trust Alibaba. The reason why I trust them so much is because they use PayPal. And all of my forms of payment are through PayPal. And PayPal is just safe for everyone. It's safe for them and it's also safe for me. So if anything was to go wrong or go left, PayPal got your back. So that's one of the main reasons why I really trust Alibaba. Is because of the form of payment, so that if there's ever any issues with a form of payment or the product not getting delivered or an extended amount of time that it took for the products to get to me, I'm able to do a dispute if need be through PayPal. Now, I haven't had any of these issues. Luckily, thank God, I have not had any of these issues, but it is there for me if I need it. So the first things first, I knew I wanted to get new boxes customized. So what I did was found an independent contractor, a graphic designer, independent contractor that was gonna deliver the artwork for my boxes. Now, I already had the measurements for my boxes because I already had boxes that I use, however, they're not customized. So I just took the measurements from those particular boxes that I already used and I gave them to the graphic designer that I found. Now, once I found the graphic designer that I wanted to work with, I gave him all of the copy for the boxes. The copy is basically just the words that go on the box. I gave them also my logo, the product information, product description, product weight. I gave all of that information to the graphic designer with the specs for my box. Now, it took about 24 to 48 hours for him to get back to me with the artwork, and I absolutely loved it. I love the artwork. Once I got the artwork, I went on Alibaba.com and I went searching for the best box manufacturer that is on the website. So it took me a little while to go through all of the different manufacturers. I looked at a couple of reviews. I looked at a couple of the MOQs. The MOQ is basically the minimum order quantity. So what is the least amount that I could purchase with you guys? Whenever you're buying from a manufacturer, you're typically buying in bulk. So the MOQ gives you the least amount that you can have to purchase from that particular manufacturer. And once I found the particular manufacturer that I wanted to work with, I then asked the right questions. So some of the questions that you want to ask the manufacturer is, what is the amount of time that it's going to take for the work to be done? What is the amount of time that it's going to take for the items to be shipped? How long is the shipping time? How much is the shipping going to cost? There's a number of things that you want to ask the manufacturer. Also, what is the MOQ? What is the price for the MOQ? Now, mind you, all of these things are negotiable. All of these things are negotiable. In their mind, they have a dead set number and a dead set MOQ that they want to reach. But trust me, there are ways that you can go in and communicate with them so that they're able to lower the MOQ and also lower the price, right? It's all about negotiations. And just know and understand and let them know that they are not able, if they are not able to get you what you need within this certain MOQ and certain price point, you will be willing to walk away and find another manufacturer. Now, there are some things that you want to keep in mind. We're not trying to rob anybody. So keep that in mind. You want to be sensible and reasonable in terms of what are the things that you're asking, because they are also in business as well. So we have to find a middle ground in which we can come to so that you guys are able to get the project done. So once all of those things are asked and you feel comfortable enough, they will send you a purchase order. So the order form will be the price that you will pay for the particular items. Now, because it took about 4 to 6 weeks in order for them to do the actual boxes, I did not prepay for the shipping. So the only thing I paid for was for the production of the boxes for them to get started. So I paid the production costs for the boxes, and then whenever the time came for the shipping, then they sent me another order, purchase order for the cost of the shipping. So once I sent them over the shipping, it took about 2 weeks to receive my soap boxes. And once I got my soap boxes, man, oh man, was I in love. I absolutely love them. So once I received all of the boxes, I was absolutely in love. Oh my goodness, I knew for a fact that that was the best decision that I have ever made, ever. So whenever I made the purchase, I only did a minimum order quantity. I believe I did about 200 boxes, if I'm not mistaken. I'll put all of the information in this video, but I believe I got about 200 boxes, between 200 and 250 boxes, just to start. And I was like, once I received them, I said, you know what? Moving forward, I'm gonna be ordering 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 boxes at a time. Because of course, the more you buy, the less or the cheaper it's gonna be per box. I didn't wanna do a large order because I didn't necessarily know the quality of the products that I was going to receive. Yes, there was reviews, yes, there was photos, but I just wasn't sure. I wasn't sure if it was gonna fit my brand or meet my expectations. I just didn't know. So what I did was, whenever I received them and I fell in love, I instantly went on and I ordered another, I believe I got 2,500 boxes, because I knew there was a certain amount of time that it was gonna take in order to receive the boxes. So I knew I didn't wanna be without the new boxes. So instantly, as soon as I got them, I went and made another bulk purchase order, because I was like, oh my goodness, yes, I loved it. So I'm gonna show you guys the boxes and the artwork and everything like that, but I just love the quality that it brings to my products. I love the rich feel it gives. I love the fact that my product no longer feels homemade. I love the fact that I was able to get something custom. I just loved it. So I'm gonna show you guys the boxes really quick that I got for my brand. So here are some of my boxes. Super excited. So I'm gonna start with the honey soap box. Okay, so here's the honey soap box. I hope you guys are able to see it, but here is the honey soap box. I'm gonna also put a picture on the screen so you guys are able to see the mock-up that I got from the graphic designer. I love it. It has my logo, it has the product name, it has the instructions, lather, cleanse, rinse, and repeat right here. It has organic, it has handmade, it has the size, it says 100% natural products here. It has a nice imagery here for the ingredients that we use. On the bottom down here, it has the website. On the side, it says honey soap and it has the J. Lauren logo. On the other side, it has the same honey soap J. Lauren logo. On the top, it has the J. Lauren logo, and on the bottom, it's empty. So this right here is the honey soap box. Oh, yeah, and on the back. On the back, it has the logo, it has honey soap, it has lather, cleanse, rinse, and repeat, and it also has the ingredients. So the next one is the Fresh Aloe Soap. Again, it has my logo, Fresh Aloe Soap. It has all of the same. It has the picture imagery, 100% natural, organic, handmade. It has the weight. It has the logos on the side and the name of the type of soap. It has logo. It has Fresh Aloe Soap, rinse, cleanse, lather, cleanse, rinse, and repeat, and it also has the ingredients. This is the Fresh Aloe. Here is my oatmeal and shea butter soap box. Here is my sea moss box. And I also have a few more, but those are just the boxes. I absolutely love them. They came out perfect. The quality, top tier, top tier. But yeah, I hope this video was helpful for you guys. I hope you guys learned something from this video. Please do not be afraid to shop on Alibaba. There's so many amazing manufacturers on there. Although they come from overseas, just do your due diligence and do your research on the different products. They're there to help you, okay? They're there to help you. It's gonna cut your costs drastically if you source some ingredients and products and packaging from overseas. But again, I hope this video was able to help you guys. I hope you guys were able to learn something from this video. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. All of the information, any information you need that I'm willing to share will be down below in the description box. And if you haven't already, please make sure you like, share, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, bye.